Welcome back. I'm Sheila, and today is Classic Sundays, and I can only tell you this was the hardest wait I've ever done. So I walked in, and this car was here, and it is so beautiful. It is a 1928 Model A. It has a Ford 5-liter EFI V8 engine in it. Now, I can tell you this is a beautiful car in person, but wait, it gets better. Because I thought they were messing around with me. They were like, do you want to go for a ride? And at this point, I'm on the tips of my toes, bouncing up and down. So excited because I'm like, stop messing with me. I would love to go for a ride. And lo and behold, yes, I have it where I'm going for a ride. And so you guys get to see that. Yes, I am a little tickled pink. So sit back, enjoy, and let me know what you think, because this is a glorious day for me because this is pretty cool. Enjoy. On the gas, or well, it's got a freaking 5.0. I mean, oh my gosh, wait.